Okay guys, so it is day 4 of Santorini. We are getting ready very early. It is literally 6, no, it's literally 7. Let's go get breakfast. Just packing my bag right now. I got this from, where did I get this from? One of the gift shops. Fourth day we went on a boat ride. There's kind of a lot of people that went on, and the view like on the way down to the port, it was really pretty because you can see like the whole of Santorini because we were at the bottom of Santorini. Yeah. And always get the back seats, the back 5 seats. Yeah. Like no one sits there, so it's for us. And the music there was so funny. Playing I'll Always Love You, they were playing Titanic.
Titanic is good.
They were when we boarded the boat, our ship looked like a pirate ship and it was called King Teresa.
Yep. Yeah, it was King Teresa. I think we went on it because my second name is Teresa.
Right in the middle, the water was splashing and you could feel the boat going like up and down. Yeah. Volcanic island, and we had to like hike up 25 minutes. There's only a few umbrella stops for shade. The tour guide was really good. She was very entertaining, and she made sure everyone was safe and together. She remembered each person as well. And she was basically saying the history of Santorini, that it used to be like one big island. We went around the volcano and then we went to the hot springs. I wanted to swim but I had my contacts in, so I couldn't swim.
She's gonna drown because it's 30 meters
30 meters down. I went to this island called Teresa. No, Theresia, and it was really small. Like there's around 500 people living on that island, and at the bottom of it you can eat at the restaurant. So we ate at this really cute gyros place. The pita gyros was so good. I think it was the best one. Apparently she says fira is the best one, but this one was the best one for me. It's outside looking at the beautiful view.
The water was so clear. It was like crystal clear, and like when I went to the shallow end, it was like so clear that the light would like literally just go through it.
So my dad did swim there. And there's also this area where you can go all the way up, which is a 20-minute walk up in the heat, 2 p.m. And yeah, there's no cab or taxi, so you can go up if you want to, but we decided not to. It's hot.
And on your left and right.
So then we went home, relaxed, and then went out at night again just to, you know, look at the streets, shops, bars, and, you know, take a digestive walk.
I might have to spell it out for you, so listen here. I want this all to be crystal clear. Oh, I care about you more than a lot.
Day 5. We went to Fira, just me and mom and dad, because these two wanted to have a relaxing day.
We just sat out at the beach, we swam for a couple of hours, the way off the shore, and the rocks hurted a lot.
And now we're just relaxing, waiting for dinner, which is at 7:30. We're just watching YouTube. We didn't know until today that we could watch YouTube on our TV, which is kind of nice. So let me show you.
But God, it's easier to say what I
Hey guys, we're on our last day, which is day 7. So let's talk about what happened yesterday. So basically 2 nights ago we went to the cinema.
We watched Indiana Jones.
Yeah, and how was it?
It was, I slept through it.
And we got like popcorn. We needed to go to the toilet, but there was a dog in between the rows, so I couldn't get out and I was blocking people's way. There's an intermission. I didn't know they'd have an intermission in the middle of the movie. The vibes were similar to Disneyland. Day 6, guys. Then yesterday we basically had a rest day, so I stayed at home, I slept, and then these two went to the beach. We went out at night again, had dinner, and that was still really fun. They have no advertisements on their YouTube, so you can literally watch YouTube so freely. But I had good rest last night. And the fruits, we absolutely love the fruits, don't we, Ali? Okay, so guys, it's our second to last day. We're relaxing at the sunbeds, and there's no sun at the minute. There's no sunset. Ali, how are you? Yeah, we're gonna walk again after dinner because we need to digest. Yeah. Parents went to Pyrgos yesterday. I'll show a video of them going. It's really hot that day. I couldn't go because it's like an hour walk. We started packing this morning, getting ready to go because our flight's at 10 p.m. and yeah, so we'll arrive back home at like 3 a.m. Thank you so much for watching our Greece vlog. It was mainly for memories, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.